Hello everybody, it's your immigration attorney Ruiz. I'm here with you today bringing you another video in our U Visa series. As you know, the U Visa is for people who have been victims of serious crime and who are looking to obtain lawful status in the United States. Now today we're going to talk about the Supplement B certification. The Supplement B is the first step and it's a necessary requirement in order to apply for the U Visa. The Supplement B is a form that is signed by federal, state, or local law enforcement agencies, or any other investigative agency that is either investigating or prosecuting a qualifying criminal act. It could be a judge, it could be the district attorney. These people all have the power to sign a Supplement B certification, which says that you have been a victim of a crime, that you have been helpful, and that you have been cooperating in the crime. Without that form, you cannot apply for the U Visa. Now, the big problem with the Supplement B certifications is that every agency has the right to make their own rules and processes and requirements when it comes to signing these forms. So some agencies will straight up refuse to sign them. They don't want the extra paperwork. They're not going to do it. Some agency says, fine, we'll do it, but you have to ask us to sign this before 3 years are up after the crime happened. So if this happened on January 1st, 2020, you have until January 1st, 2023 to request this from us. So every agency has the power to set their own policy regarding whether to sign or not sign, and if they are going to sign, what those requirements are for signature. So it can be signed by many agencies who investigated the crime directly, and these agencies do not have an obligation to sign, even if you were a victim. If the agency refuses to sign it, then there is no path forward for the U Visa. A lot of the times with our office is that we have various options. So if the police arrested someone for a qualifying criminal act, we will ask the police to sign. If the district attorney charged them with a crime, we will ask the district attorney to sign. If need to, we will ask the judge to sign. In a pretty serious case that we had here in our office, there was allegations of child abuse against one parent, and then they were separated from the other parent. So we got the Child Protective Services to certify that the parent was a victim of based on what was happening to the child. So it doesn't have to be the police, it doesn't have to be the district attorney or the judge. It can be CPS, it could be any agency that has the power to investigate qualifying criminal activity. So please be very aware of what agency regulations are for whichever agency you're in. So if you're at the Houston Police Department, they're investigating an aggravated assault, make sure that you know what the Houston Police Department's rules are. If you're at the Washington State Troopers Office and they're investigating a murder, then you have to make sure that you know what their requirements are, because without the Supplement B certification, there is no path forward for the U Visa. As always, I'm your immigration attorney, Ruiz, and I'm here to help.